बुधवारा पर्वरी पुलिशेन राधानगर कोल्हापूर रावपी 32 वर्साच्या प्रदीप मेथर ह्या तरणाट्याक 1 किलो 6 ग्राम गांजा सहित अटक केला। ह्या तरणाट्याकडेन सुमार 1,60,000 किमतीची घुवळी वखदां सापडल्यात। पर्वरी पुलिशेन घुवळी वखदां संबंधान कारवाय केल्ली ही 7वी केस आसा। या संदर्भात पर्वरी पुलीस फुडलो तपास करता अशी माहिती पर्वरी पुलीस निरीक्षक जीवबा दळवी हांणी दिल्या। RDX खातीर पर्वरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Today we have arrested one Mr. Pradeep Methar, age 32 years of Radhanagar, Kolhapur, for having possession with narcotic drugs weighing about 1 kilo 600 grams. Said drugs is called ganja in common language. The market value of said drugs is about 1,60,000. The raid was conducted at the service road. We have been watching the activity of this person for a long time, and today we could trap him. We have arrested him and we are interrogating him to reach to the source from where the drugs have come. Porvorim police station has this is 7th case of drug seizure, and we will not tolerate any type of drugs in my area. The drug cases are booked upon the informations and the source information, and we laid that trap accordingly. We were on the trap for quite long time, and finally we could trap him in my area. Interrogation is going on, and we'll be producing him to the judicial magistrate and seeking the police custody remand, and we'll interrogate him.